IRS audits can be very stressful. They can be hard to understand and take a lot of time. You may worry about having to pay more money or getting in trouble. A tax attorney can help make audits less scary. IRS tax return audits check if you paid the right amount of taxes. The IRS will ask for more information, like receipts and other records. A tax attorney can help you answer the IRS's questions and help make sure your audit is fair. You don't have to face the IRS alone in a tax audit. Here is a brief overview of the IRS audit process. The IRS selects taxpayers for audits through a variety of methods, including random selection and computer screening. They also select taxpayers who are likely to owe additional taxes, have high levels of income, or have a history of non-compliance. Once you are selected for an audit, the IRS will send you a notice of audit in the mail. The notice will include the type of audit being conducted, the documentation required, and the time frame for submitting the documentation. You must gather and provide the requested documentation to the IRS. This documentation will be reviewed by the IRS to determine if there are any discrepancies or errors in your tax return. During this audit, you will need to provide additional information or clarification about your tax return. After the audit is complete, the IRS will send you a letter indicating the outcome of the audit. If you agree with the IRS's decision that you owe additional taxes, you will need to pay the additional amount owed, including any penalties and interest. All taxpayers have important rights. If you disagree with the IRS's decision, you have the right to appeal. You should never pay more to the IRS than you are legally required to pay. If you receive an audit notice, it is important to take it seriously and provide the required documentation. If you need assistance during an IRS tax audit, please call tax attorney Charles Dillon at 410-321-7696. Thanks for watching.